Hello, I'm Mr. Morrison, and today we're going to look at creating a beating heart on the microbit. Now this might be your first program with the microbit. Beating heart is often a good one to start with. So I'll just show you, the microbit is a small pocket-sized computer. It's really good for learning about computer coding. And it has different inputs and outputs. So inputs such as buttons here, and outputs such as this screen that's displaying the animation on the microbit just now. You'll discover lots more of the inputs and outputs if you do more with the microbit. And this is what it looks like on the back. So it has lots of components there, little USB plug for plugging it into a computer. It also has Bluetooth, so you could use a phone or a tablet to code this. So let's get coding. So to code our beating heart, we're going to go to makecode.microbit.org and create a new project by pressing this button. I'm going to give it a name, beating heart, and I'm going to press create. When we open up like this, we have a virtual microbit on one side. Everything we do can be previewed on our virtual microbit. I then have my coding blocks, and here I can click and drag them into the coding area. In the coding area, it always opens up with an on start and a forever. I don't need on start for this project, but I will need forever. I'm then going to go into basic and find show LEDs, and I'm going to create my heart shape like this, something like that. Once I've created my heart shape, it will appear on the virtual microbit. But I want it to be beating, so I need another show LEDs with a smaller heart shape in here. And now, when it previews, you can see that it's beating. But it's beating very fast, so I need to go into basic and find pause. This will slow things down. So I'm going to change this pause to 500 milliseconds. And I'm going to put a second one in here. 500 milliseconds is just half a second. So now it's beating slow enough that it looks more realistic heartbeat. So that's the simple project. You can also use the show icon block to find a pre-made heart or smaller heart in place of these show LEDs. Download this onto your microbit, see if it works, and I hope to see you in another video very soon.